Hi, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at the Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. This particular one is equipped with the 115 Mercury Pro. That's 4-stroke engine, of course. Starting back here in the back, you'll notice that the Sea Ray 19 has a 4-step swim ladder on here. Why is that important? A lot of them that just have a 2-step or a 3-step, it doesn't go down deep enough in the water to get your leg up on it easy. So that's starting right off at the back, something really important to look at. You've got a stainless steel ski pylon back here for pulling skiers, tubers, wakeboards. Wakeboarders are especially going to like a little higher pull point like that rather than using a ski bridle to pull from down low. Nice big sun pad in the back. But the big benefit of that sun pad is what you see below it is the storage. Everybody wants to bring their beach bags. Everybody wants to bring their chairs, their coolers. So the nice thing about the 19 SPX outboard is the amount of storage that you have. So you've got storage there, you've got storage under the seat, you got storage in the floor. So for a 19-footer, this is just loaded with storage. Super comfortable back seat. Look at the combing pads on here. Look at that, my arms go right in place where they're supposed to be. Nice high backrests on here. The cushions are not so soft that after 2 years they're going to be giving out on you. It's nice, firm, that's expensive foam that's in these seats here. Something that you just don't see, but you can feel. Moving forward on this boat, this particular one has the digital depth sounder right here, which of course you're going to want on this boat. Your remote for your Fusion stereo. Real comfortable captain's chairs with footrests forward. You have a tilt steering wheel. You have the ability to sit a couple of different ways on this boat. Some people like to stand up and drive. If you like to stand up and drive, put the thigh-rise bolster up and you've got plenty of room to stand. Or if you want to sit up on top of that bolster, you've still got a comfortable seat like that. Over on this side, you've got the same seat as the captain has. A couple of drink holders. You'll look everywhere. There's nice stainless steel, not plastic, not any kind of junk metal. These are stainless steel drink holders on the 19 SPX. Again, more storage, a little place that you can use as a cooler if you want to, or a place to throw your hat, your wallet, your car keys. Storage underneath. Again, the 19 SPX is just loaded with storage. Here's the big benefit though of the 19 SPX over some of our competitors' 19-footers is look at the amount of room that is in the bow of this boat. The width goes far forward on this. It doesn't come to a sharp point. So what that causes is that causes you to have, now look, you can sit 3 people up here in the bow on a 19-foot boat very comfortably. I can also stretch my legs completely forward. I'm 6'3" and I've got tons of room to put my legs forward. This is Sea Ray's 19 SPX. It's in our showroom here in MarineMax in Jacksonville. I'm Grant. Give me a call. Let's take it for a ride.